Delicious and healthy fruit milk dessert. When you're craving something sweet, refreshing, and nourishing but don't want to spend hours in the kitchen, a fruit and milk dessert is the perfect choice. It's light, naturally sweet, and packed with vitamins, fiber, and protein. The best part? You only need 2 main ingredients, fresh fruit and milk, yet it feels indulgent like a real treat. Ingredients you'll need: 1 cup of chilled milk, low-fat or full cream, depending on your preference. 1 to 2 cups of seasonal fruits, such as banana, mango, apple, grapes, papaya, strawberries, blueberries, kiwi, or any fruit you love. Optional sweetener: 1 teaspoon honey or dates. If fruits are already sweet, you don't need this. Optional flavorings: a pinch of cinnamon, cardamom, or vanilla essence for extra aroma. How to make it step by step. Step 1. Choose and prepare your fruits. Wash all your fruits thoroughly and peel them if needed. Chop them into small bite-sized cubes. Try to mix at least 2 to 3 different fruits so your dessert looks colorful and tastes richer. For example, banana and mango give creaminess, while apple and berries add crunch and tang. Step 2. Prepare your milk base. Pour your chilled milk into a bowl or a tall glass. If you like your dessert a little sweeter, add honey or blended dates and stir well. You can also add a pinch of cinnamon or cardamom for a warm, comforting flavor. Step 3. Assemble your dessert. Now add your chopped fruits into the milk. You can either mix them gently for a creamy fruit salad effect or layer them beautifully in a glass like a fruit parfait. If you want it extra cold, you can even freeze the fruits for a few minutes before adding them. Step 4. Chill and serve. Let the dessert sit for 5 to 10 minutes in the fridge so the fruits release their natural sweetness into the milk. Serve cold with a spoon and enjoy. Variations you can try. Smoothie style: blend your milk and fruits together for a creamy drinkable dessert. Perfect for breakfast or a post-workout snack. Frozen treat: freeze chopped fruits like mango, banana, or strawberries and then add them into chilled milk for an ice cream-like texture. Nutty touch: sprinkle some crushed almonds, pistachios, or chia seeds on top for crunch and extra nutrition. Layered glass dessert: in a tall glass, layer fruits, pour milk, add another fruit layer, and repeat. This makes it look fancy and Instagram-worthy. Why this dessert is healthy? Packed with natural vitamins and minerals from fresh fruits. Milk adds protein and calcium for strong bones and muscles. No artificial sugar needed, fruits give natural sweetness. Light on the stomach yet keeps you full and energized.